We are having breakfast this morning at the patio, which is a breakfast buffet. This is where we had breakfast yesterday, and the food is delicious. Breakfast was delicious. The food here just does not disappoint. I loved, there was a authentic Jamaican dish that I had. It was a dumpling, and then it had chicken on it, and the chicken had been like roasted. It was on the bone, but it had fallen off the bone. It did have skin on it, with Jamaican seasoning and thyme, and it was so good. It had a little bit of spice to it, but it wasn't super spicy. That was definitely the highlight of the breakfast. Now we're just sitting here. I'll flip you around in a second to see the view. I was just waiting for our bus to take us over to San Souci to go look at that resort. But for right now, we're just gonna sit here and chill and enjoy the view because it's amazing. There are some tropical storms forming far south of here, down by Barbados, but it's really, I think, picking up the wind. There are, I believe there's another red flag warning today, so it's looking a little rough out there. I don't know how far we'll go out. We may just kind of go dip our toes in the water because it is a little bouncy. We are scheduled to do a catamaran tour at 2 o'clock today. I'm not sure that's gonna happen because it is pretty rough out there, but we'll see. So the lobby here has just these really nice windows that allow you to see out to the ocean. It's really cool right here. I don't think they have any air conditioning in this portion of the hotel, but the breeze here is incredible. It feels so good. And I don't know if you can see down there, there's the sand of the beach right down there. There was a lot of seaweed yesterday. It looks like they're raking it up and cleaning it up. But for now, we're just gonna sit here and enjoy this view. Here in the piano bar, they show the history of Tower Isle. This resort is now Couples Tower Isle. The family who owns the resort has owned it for a number of years, and in the piano bar, they have all of these pictures of the famous people who have stayed here. Like Fidel Castro. Interesting. Comedian Joey Brown. Boxer Joe Louis. Errol Flynn. There's Ava Gabor. Joan Crawford. Princess Alice and Princess Margaret. Walt Disney. Debbie Reynolds, Louis Armstrong, and Lena Horne. So apparently their ear is clipped, which I can't tell. I think, yeah, his ear is clipped or her ear is clipped. Do you see that? And that means that they've been fixed. So that's how they're able to tell which of the kittens have been fixed and which ones have not. So they control the population. Now we are headed down to dinner. We're going to a restaurant called 8 Plates. Dress code is enforced. Men have to wear slacks and a collared shirt. I'm wearing a dress. But I'm really excited to try it out. I hear the food is phenomenal and everything here has not disappointed, so I'm sure it's gonna be great.